Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automate your work using Python. In previous video I showed you an example of the calling data where we automated our workings with Excel Power Query. But in this video I'm going to show you how to do the same using Python. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll put the link in the description which will show you what was the example we used and how it worked. In this video we have this calling data in this data folder, and we are going to perform the same automation as per previous video using Python. We'll create a prompt and we'll ask ChatGPT to create us a Python code. This is our prompt, and we are going to ask ChatGPT to create us a Python code. ChatGPT is creating the code. Let's copy this code. Go to the folder, right click here, go for open with code, create a new Python template. If you don't know how to install Python or use it, then you can also find the link in the description which will show you how to install and use Python in details. Here we copied the code. Press F5 to run the code. It will ask you to save the code. We'll save the code in the same directory as Python code. It will ask us here the suggestion. We'll click Python. It has started working here. There is an error. With ChatGPT, if you get an error, copy the error, go for the ChatGPT and just paste the error. It will update its code accordingly. Let's copy the code again. Go to VS Studio, press F5, then it will close the previous code. Select all, paste and run again. Let's see how it works. Once your code ran successfully, you will see something like this. It has started the working and it says process completed successfully, or you get this cursor blinking here which shows you that the code ran successfully. Let's go back to the folder. You can see now you have two new files created. Let's open this Excel file. Let's do the auto fit column width. If you don't know what is this, then you can simply go for my previous Excel training and let's change the format to this, and now you can see that all these numbers are summarized based on their duration. If you don't know what's happening, then you can go to the link below to see the video which gives you the detailed explanation of what it is. And if you want to compare this with the previous video, then you can see that if for this number we got 567 at the end, and 567 shows 2 hours and 1 minute for first March, and in here we got 2 hours 1 minute for first March. So the numbers are matching, and we got all of this without even have to open anything in Excel or do a refresh, and it is just a code. So whenever you get new files, you just paste your files here, go for this code, open the code, press F5 to run the code. Also, if you want to run this code using an exe file or directly without needing of any Visual Code Studio, then you can convert this to exe file, and the link is in the description from where you can know how to do that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon till next video.